Here we go, guys. I'm back once again with one more website that's gonna make your life so easy and happy. Yes, let's do this one, guys. It's called genial.ly. GENIAL.ly. Okay, here, the first option. Click on it. Now, what this website does is that it helps you create interactive content. Okay, here is the option drop down list. You will see presentations, infographics, gamification, interactive images, video presentations, guides. This is one amazing website, guys. And the best part, it is free. Okay, the basic option is always a free one. Okay, let's see what kind of presentations available here. All right, let's go down and find it. Here it is. Okay, guys, you can find tons of options here to choose from. See, let me accept cookies. Okay, see, there are a lot of options here. So similarly in other options, infographics, you'll find many options. Just go in, type in your infos there, type in your content there, the design template, everything is already there. You just have to type in what you want according to your needs, and that's it. Download. It's that simple, guys. Okay, guys, now if you have any questions, send across. I'll try my best to answer you guys. All right, cheers, have a great day.